Hello everyone. Today we will learn how to improve handwriting. Everybody in this world has unique style of handwriting. Some write good, some write bad, some write differently. In fact, a person is judged by his own handwriting. Doctors are the only creatures on this planet who are praised for even bad handwriting. You also know that during exams, it is very much important to write properly to acquire good marks. So without getting any further delay, let's get started how to improve your handwriting. Well, there are many pens available in the market. First, you have to find out which pen is suitable for your handwriting. I am not asking you to buy a pen of 50 rupees or 70 rupees to write properly. You can also write very good handwriting by using a 5 rupee pen or 3 rupee pen. So it doesn't matter that how much a pen costs. It is matter that how you write. So this is your first step. Grip properly. Your grip, the way you hold your pen, the way you grip your pen. You should grip your pen with 3 fingers and you should have your pen properly among the fingers so that this should be packed properly and you can write confidently. So always remember the gripping should be perfect and you should be confident while writing. You should be able to grip your pen so that it cannot move here and there. You can see how to hold the pen here. And next, moving to the second point, space between letters. Actually, whenever we write, there should be enough space between the letters. It should not be very much and it should not be very less. You have to always mind the space between the letters to make a very good handwriting. So you can see here as an example, I am writing mango and orange. So you can easily see that there is more space in between O and R and M and A. So now see how to write properly. MANGO, there should be same space between the letters like I am writing here. Now moving to the third, and it is practice makes perfect. You need to practice very much to maintain a good handwriting, and it must be done daily or weekly. If your handwriting is very much bad, then you have to make it much clear that you should practice more often as you can. Now this is the fourth point you have to remember. Don't mix up the words. Many people do these mistakes again and again which make their handwriting very bad when they are writing in the examination. Here you can see I have written and people, and these two words are very much close to each other, which is really mixing up the words and ruining the handwriting. So always remember that you have to make a space between the words. This is a wrong way. Now see how to write properly. I have written we and then I am writing should. There is enough space. Then there is also space between the should and always. Then there is on again space. So you have to maintain the spaces between the words so that they will look neat and clean as well as beautiful. So always follow this step to make your handwriting clean and clear, and everybody will see and say this is right. Next thing I would like to suggest you, always maintain a good handwriting whenever you are going to appear in an upcoming examination. It is very much important to maintain a good handwriting throughout the answer sheet if you want to acquire good marks. A good handwriting always reflects your personality in front of the examiner. So always remember that you have to maintain a good handwriting whenever you are going to appear in the next examination.